Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. So dear student, as you know that school is closed due to cold, we do care for you and your study. Therefore to keep you updated for coming examination, I am here with a revisional notes and video of social study. Okay students, so my previous video explained chapter 12 direction. Okay students, so look here symbol north opposite south, direction south, and west opposite east. Okay, so directions. So first all of you once again summarize word meaning. Direction help us find someone or some things by giving us their position or by showing us the position toward which we must move. We use directional words like left, right, straight, ahead, behind and in front of to give directions. There are four main directions of the earth. They are fixed. These are north, south, east and west. We use the position of the sun to find the main directions. We can also use a compass to find the direction. The needle of the compass always point toward the north. Okay? Explain. New words. Direction. The place or the position where something or someone is located, or the path along which an object is moving, or the position toward which an object faces. Okay? Ahead, forward, behind, at the back or toward the back, at the back and toward the back. Compass, a tool used to find the main directions. Compass, a tool used to find the main directions. Okay, now come to the exercise number 1, filling the blanks. So first one, direction give us the position of things. Direction give us the of things. Fill it now. Position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position. Now second one, we can find directions by looking at the position of the rising dash. We can find direction by looking at the position of the rising sun. Okay, now third one, the sun set in the dash. The sun set in the dash west, W-E-S-T, west. Okay, now fourth one, if you stand facing the rising sun, south will be to your dash. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Okay, if you stand facing the sun rising south, will be to your right. Okay. Now third one. Second one, name the following. So first one, two directional word. Do you know, students? Two directional word. Right here. Left and right. Okay. Two directional word. Left and right. Is that clear? Second one, the four main directions of the earth. The four main directions of the earth. Do you know, students? Four main directions: east, west, north and south. EST east, WEST west, NORTH north and SOUTH south. Is that clear? Now third one, a tool which help us find directions dash. Compass. Spelling of compass: COMPASS. Compass. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise number third. Answer the following questions. So first one. First question is, what are directions? What are directions? Why do we need them? What are direction and why do you need them? The answer is, directions help us find someone. We also need directions to go from one place to another. Okay? Is that clear? Once again repeated. What are the directions? Direction help us find someone. We also need direction. Now second question. Why do need them? Direction to go from one place to another. Is that clear? Now second one. Give an example. Give an example to show how directions help us find a place. We use directional words left, right, straight, ahead, behind and in front of you to give directions. Okay? Once again repeated. We use directional words left, right, straight, ahead, behind and in front to give directions. Okay? Now question number third. How can we use the sun to find the four main directions? How can we use the sun to find the four main directions? The answer is, we use positions of the rising the sun to find four main directions. Once again repeated. We use position of the rising the sun to find four main directions. Is that clear? Now next question. Question number 5. Question number 4. Name the directions that lie opposite to south. Name the direction that lie opposite to south. North that lie opposite to south. North that lie opposite to south. Is that clear? Now fifth one. What is a compass? What is a compass? A tool used to find the main direction is called compass. A tool used to find the main direction is called compass. Okay? Now next, exercise number 4. Study the picture given below and answer the question by giving the correct direction, north, south, east or west. So give directional word: north, south, west and east. Look at the picture there, like this: police station, Anil's house, market, fire station, bus stop, park, Kimi house, playground, school, lake and Rina's house. Okay, hospital. So first question is, Kimi's house light to the dash of the lake. Of the lake, Kimi's house. That means south. Kimi's house, south. Okay. Now second one, the school light to the of the post office. The school light to the of the post office. School light to the post office, west. East. Okay. Now third one, Anil live to the dash of the market. Anil live to the dash of the market. Market. Anil live south. Now fourth one, the police station is to the of Anil house. The police station is to the of Anil house. Okay. Fifth now, west. Fifth, Rina's house light to the of the hospital. West. Okay. The school light to the dash of the playground. North. Spelling of north, North. Now seventh one, the bus stop light to the dash of the lake. North. Spelling of north, North. Okay. Now eighth one, the park light to the of the school. East. Spelling of east, EAST. All the exercise is clearly explanation, students. Okay. So learn main 4 directional word, that means east, west, north and south, and write in the PC copy. Okay, with spelling. If you did not complete it yet, so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.